Alright, so this is my wardrobe that we'll be cleaning today. It is a mess, and alright. I'm so sorry that it's a big mess, but let's get it clean. Oh, I've got this nice saree. I think the best way to clean all of these will be step by step, like section wise. So I'm gonna finish with this section first, and then with this one, and then with this one. So let's get started with this pile. Okay. This is how it turned out. I think I've done my best here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you later on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.